Hello friend, again welcome back in my channel SSG Art World. In previous video, I discussed about the Renaissance art. Today I am going to say about the Proto-Renaissance art. Actually, what is the Proto-Renaissance art? Proto-Renaissance art means low Renaissance period, 1300 to 1400. See, in that time, especially Italian artists discover, or you can say started the development of the paintings. Means the previous portion of the Renaissance, mainly by Italian artists, known as low Renaissance or Proto-Renaissance art. Exactly, in the matter of any type of creation, it never be developed suddenly, means never achieved in high stage of the creation. All the creation or modification going with the spontaneous system, no sudden momental system. I am giving example by which all of you can easily understand it. In the case of bicycle to motorcycle, means the creation of the motorcycle have same things. Same things means now you are watching which type of motorcycles. In the previous time of creation of motorcycle, it was not strong designable or strongly modified engine. It was started from bicycle to motorcycle, means it was very minimum difference between designing, structural designing with the use of motor power. After time to time it's developed, and now we are getting varieties modification style of bikes, means motorcycles. Exactly, the matter of art also gradually changed, just like from prehistory cave art to middle age of art, and then modified it, which known as Renaissance. But the previous modification of from middle age of art to Renaissance art was not far difference, slightly difference, means slightly modified towards volume emphasis work, dimensional work, which known as Proto-Renaissance. Before giving tutorials, I want to say the Proto-Renaissance art starting to get the right ideas, so that means style, new range of gestures, convincing use of space, not yet single point perspective, but definite depth, economical, uncluttered, simple narrative, overall clarity, directness, economy, spiritual and physical gravity. And one thing, the main role of this period goes to Giotto, the artist Giotto. To better understand, I am going to show some plates and I am explain about it, by which all of you can easily observe the Proto-Renaissance art. It is my style, always I am compare with next or previous, means it is my method, you can say. Not only my method, actually exactly for proper education system always need comparison. Through comparison everybody can easily understand. Why? Just like which person never seen shadow or darkness, how I can teach about light. For explanation of light, I have to compare with dark, then I can express the light, and other viewers can understand what is light. Without explanation of dark, we never can understand what is light. Exactly, in any education sector, we need comparison. So I am going to compare with some plates. Thank you very much. Now I am going to show the comparison plates, and then I will give tutorial part by which my departmental student will be benefited. Thank you very much to my viewers. I am not comfortable for advertising pattern, so from the day I will not say in every video about subscription this that matter. Actually, that is very personable, but not for me, not as my style. My main motto is sharing of knowledge. So thank you very much. Now I am starting the comparison pattern with previous, means middle age of the Western art, and update period, means high Renaissance art, with Proto Renaissance art. Thank you. Through the plates of three period, exactly not three period, there's two period, medieval period art and Renaissance period art, but Renaissance divided with two parts, one Proto Renaissance and another high Renaissance. In that way we can say the slides of the three parts. We can easily justify through this plate that the technical development of paintings, firstly development of method and composition also. Maybe there are dramatical composition, then also have difference between these three parts. In medieval period, dramatical composition is looking slightly stiff, like studio photography system. Means when we are going to take our photographs in studio, we show alertness, attention, not naturality. We can found this type of composition in medieval period, but in Proto Renaissance we can get some betterness of the composition technique. There is also as dramatical composition, but with respective way. What is that respective way? They don't have the stiffness of composition. They apply the casualness, simpleness of figure movements. And in high Renaissance we can get better aesthetic value of composition with dramatical composition. So in high Renaissance look much better than Proto Renaissance. Not only the difference means improvmental factor of composition, there have the technical improvemental also. Technically the representational method is also gradually increased. We can easily observe it with these slides. The figure proportion or the finishing of the figures or subject and objects have some flatness in medieval period paintings, which we cannot get in Proto Renaissance. But we can get better result in high Renaissance painting, just like the finishing of dimensional factor means light and shade application is better in medieval period. That factor is very weak than Proto Renaissance, and in high Renaissance has the application of maximum range than Proto Renaissance. What is that? Exactly, we know the Western art, Western style of art, volume emphasis means dimensional emphasis. So, there compulsory factor of use of light and shade technique or method by which we can get better result of dimension means the color perspective. In Proto Renaissance, we get better result than medieval, and we get much better in high Renaissance. We can get very simply the result through these slides. You can watch the cosmetic arrangement, space arrangement also, the cosmetic color approach also, the cosmeticness of color treatment in medieval painting, which then Proto Renaissance. Maybe high Renaissance has much better result, but Proto Renaissance is famous for the first step jump system of realistic approach and realistic composition also, space arrangement with reality of lifestyle style also. Maybe that is mythological or social subjective. Thank you very much. Now no need to more explanation. I am giving some tutorials. Thank you again.